If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to JASMY video update. Alright, so yesterday I talked about the pin bars, and if anyone knows the ruling on the pin bars, they translate a move to the downside. So this is not a surprise to me. I told you. Number one, we are really overbought on the RSI. Look at that. Now the RSI is starting to move lower. For JASMY, it's starting to actually come a little bit lower, and you can actually even see an oversold level for JASMY in the future. So you got to be very careful in this space right now. So what I want to say in this update is that it's really important to look at the following situation. I'm just going to remove the drawings right now because we're really messed up with the drawings, and this is what I want to lay down for you. You do still have some sort of a pattern, and I want to bring this pattern to your notice right now. And if you take the top to the bottom right there out of this pattern right here, it almost looks like a saucer bottom right there. So something known as a rounded bottom or a saucer bottom like this. And for me personally, this could be still nothing too much negative, but it can actually come down to 4547, and then you move all the way up to 7719. Okay, that's one thing, because nonetheless this is what happened. Move to the downside, push up, boom. But one more thing to keep in mind, this is one way to view this thing, and the second way to view this thing is to actually talk about this elephant in the room right there. It could be that you're not even making this pattern, and you actually have made something like 1, 2 and 3, and you could be on the verge of making a descending wedge or a broadening wedge like this, and this is actually bullish. That's actually bullish. What I mean to say is, because you're really overbought on the RSI, I've told you that, and if you do come down like this and you test 2411, it's just an example, and from there you try to bounce back up again, then you can even expect this to break out of here, back test like this, and this is where you're going to continue on. So you take the top from the bottom in the future. This is just my personal, of course we still have to wait to see if it happens, and you can see it can take you all the way up to 12,000 nearly, those price level. If you ever do something like that, that's actually an amazing 126% move pattern, bullish pattern right there that you have for yourself. So let's see right now how I'm still going to mark this one resistance right there, and then you have this another level right here. So these are two key levels to actually look out forward to. Let's see how this one plays in the future, and that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.